The White House is asking anyone who believes they've been impacted or contracted the coronavirus to contact.
Center in New York, at the Convention Center in New Orleans, and at the convention.
According to The Hill, the announcement contradicts a previous statement from Defense Secretary Mark Esper, who asserted that
from 3.5% in February to 4.4% in March, the biggest one-month jump since 1975, and a record 113 consecutive months of job growth came to a screeching halt. But considering the data is only from the first half of March, officials say one-month jump since 1975, and a record 113 consecutive months of job growth came to a screeching halt. But considering the data is only from the first half of
March, a powerful show of solidarity. Firefighters applauding doctors and nurses at the U.S. epicenter of the coronavirus crisis. This money does people know.
Explode. Time is running out for struggling Americans, desperate for federal aid. Now, the White House is pushing back on reports that relief could take months, saying while paper checks may take longer, direct deposits will come earlier than expected.
Good if it shows up in 4 months.
This morning, as U.S. unemployment numbers, who owns this North Charleston brewery needs the cash to keep paying his workers.
Anything that can be done to stop.
That new recommendation comes as the city is in danger of running out of life-saving.
That's based on conversations they've had with the White House and IRS officials. The memo estimates the government will issue 60 million payments this month to people with direct deposit information on file. The IRS will then start issuing paper checks, a process that could potentially delay payments until mid-August because of printing capacity. The Treasury Department plans to build a web portal for people without direct deposit to submit their information. The payments are part of a $2 trillion stimulus package signed by President Trump last month. The package intends to offset the economic damage caused by the coronavirus pandemic. The measure stipulates up to $1,200 for eligible taxpayers, plus $500 per child. Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin had previously suggested payments would be ready by April 6.
Forever this nation needs